Yo, we're back. Today's video is pretty much about not giving a fuck what they think. Do what you want to do for you. Get the fuck out your comfort zone. Yeah, don't let them stop you. Do what you want to do. Fuck them all. Fuck them. Shit ain't gonna matter 3 years from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now. Just do what the fuck you want to do. And again, I don't care who said it. I don't care if your mama said it. I don't care if your daddy said it. I don't care if your little sister said it. I don't care if your brother said it. But yeah. How you doing? Yeah. See? People driving past me and shit. I feel a little weird. I ain't gonna lie. But motherfuckers smiling at me. Who the fuck they think I am? I don't know. But yeah, we're holding the camera and we're doing our thing. Again, I should have bought me a towel. Do what you want to do. Don't let nobody's opinion stop you. Make you feel less than because you want a better life for you. Shit's fucking retarded, bro. Don't let them. Again, hope the camera angle's cool. It's just me talking and venting. I see this is the thing I tend to do, but we're just gonna go with it. Talking to y'all, because man, some of these YouTube videos out there is ass. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna cap. Some of them full of fluff. Some of them just be talking to get views. I'm talking to y'all. Fuck all the extra shit. Bear with the fat nigga shit going on, okay? We out of breath for shit, okay? Do it for you, because at the end of the day, the decisions you make, the choices you make are for you. Nobody else got to deal with them but you. So I'm talking to my guys out there, talking to my girls. Guys, girls, don't matter who the fuck you are. This video's for you. Don't let them tell you that you can't be something because they can't do it them damn selves, or they don't believe that you can do it, or the simple fact that they believe that they can't do it, so they're gonna tell you that you can't do it because they can't do it, or they don't see themselves, whoever it may be, doing it. Now I know. Shout out to my creators out there, man, because this shit ain't easy. Bitch, I'm hot. It's hot as a bitch out here. Damn near went naked. Ain't gonna lie, commando mode type shit. Don't stop shit for nobody. Don't stop shit for nobody. Keep going. It's something that you wanna do that shit, bro. Just don't be out here doing stupid shit. Trying to flex on the next nigga or next bitch, girl, guy, don't matter. Do what you gotta do. Sit your ass down for the next like 6 months to a year. Life will change, trust me. You don't believe me? Come back to this video. I'll be here. Come back to this video and be like, damn, man, you was dead ass. You was right. 6 months, year. Say damn. Ain't go outside, ain't go party. Why you go outside? Why you only go outside once a month? Cause I got shit to do. Why you stop spending $300-$400 every time you go out? I got shit to do. I ain't gonna see you at parties no more. I don't see you outside how you used to be. Damn, you stop posting on Instagram. You good? You dead? You alive? You okay? Damn, you even stopped doing some of your hobbies. Again, guy, girl, it don't fucking matter. Do what you gotta do, bro. Cause again, a year ago, you wouldn't have told me that I'd be posting videos like this, talking to y'all. If you got dreams, you got goals, you got plans, and only you can see that shit, there's a reason only you can see it. Nobody else can see it but you. Again, I'm looking at the trail, hold on. Where am I at? These maps do not be helping me. Be making me feel a little slow sometimes. Good, you? Like she was not around, I ain't gonna lie. I swear to God. Yeah, sorry for the fucking wind. It was gonna stop me type shit because they was driving that big ass truck. It looked like it was gonna stop me, but nonetheless, we back in. You can't make this shit up, bro. Man, get out your, this is my comfort zone. If you know me, boy, we ain't walking in no motherfucking trail. But, I don't know, get out your comfort zone. Only you can see the vision for a reason, bro. Girl, guy, don't care, bro. If you're watching this video, you're meant to watch it. If y'all like this, I kinda like this. It's not bad. But if y'all like this, let me know. I give y'all what y'all want. And I'll gladly give my experience on things, thoughts, comments, concerns on anything and everything you guys ask. Up questions in the comments. Let me hear y'all. Let's chat some more. Let's talk. Gladly talk to y'all. Gladly. Put that shit in the comments. I'll respond to you guys. But yeah, get your credit right, get your mind right. Your mind will take you places that money can't. Personality will get you into doors that your money or influence can't. But again, man, it's never too late. Do what you gotta do. Do what you don't wanna do. People just waving, hi, they don't care. This is new for me. Definitely not first YouTube channel, but you know, first time walking and vlogging at the same time. Yeah, people gonna shit on you. People gonna talk shit. People gonna talk down your name, make you feel like you out of place, because you are out of place. If you feel like people around you talk shit or talk down on you, even at your workplace, bro. Right now, I work a 9 to 5, but you know, trying to get that shit straightened out. We all start somewhere. This is me documenting the journey type shit, letting y'all in my, I feel like I'm just talking to talk, but someone's out there is resonating with what the fuck I'm saying. For sure. Again, whew. Yeah, man. You're not meant to be where you're at right now. You're not meant to grow. You're meant to outgrow people. You're meant to do things that scare you. Hey, that's one thing. I do challenge y'all. I challenge y'all to say hi to a stranger every single day you're at. For example, the Walmart 2 minutes from your house. Bro, if you don't take your ass to Target 20 minutes down the street, 25 minutes down the street, Walmart, bro, girl, again, it don't fucking matter. They dropping off the trucks. No, let me stop. Intrusive thoughts definitely took over for like 2 seconds. Life's too short to be listening to other people's and motherfuckers' opinions, bro. It really is. Stay down, fucking down. Figure it out. You have time. All you have is time. They make you feel like you're running out of time. You're not. You're right where you're supposed to be. But, alright guys, that's pretty much it. Again, don't let nobody who doesn't have the life that you want to have tell you what the fuck you can't can and can't do. At the end of the day, it's on you. And it's only on you. Play the hand you was dealt. Sit your ass down for the next couple months. You'll be exactly where you want to be, I promise. Man, next 3 months gonna be decent, huh? But man. But yeah. I'm stop talking in this video. But if y'all like this, drop in the comments below. I want to hear y'all thoughts about anything I said. Let's have a discussion. Love to hear it. Love to talk about it. But yeah, if y'all like these kinds of videos, I can give y'all more. Until then, catch you guys in the next one.